Techno update. Subscribe now.
Blackberry Dtek60 Review. Design and build. The phone is an ideal weight for an oft-unwieldy 5.5-inch screen size of smartphone, at 165 grams. For comparison, that's 18 grams heavier than an iPhone 6's. The screen has thin bezels on the left and right sides, but the slightly protruding silver edges of the device mean it isn't hard to hold. The left edge has the power lock button just above the SIM and microSD card tray, while the right side has the volume rocker and Blackberry's convenience key, which we will discuss later. Although not too large a phone to hold at 153.9 by 75.4 by 7 mm, what makes it slippery and droppable is its shiny back. It feels like glass but is actually a hardened plastic, and we dropped the device once thanks to this, scratching it somewhat. You'll probably want a case. Specs, hardware and performance. We welcome an Android Blackberry with high-end specs. It feels long overdue in this form factor, although the Priv's Snapdragon 808 processor when it was released in November 2015 was acceptably high-end. It's enough to satisfy the Blackberry users among us who were resistant to the transition to an all-touch handset. We do love a good physical keyboard. The screen is a 5.5-inch scratch and smudge-resistant Quad HD AMOLED display. The smudge-resistant part is actually accurate too. Although this is a slippy phone, we weren't too put off by inevitable fingerprints when compared to other glass phones, but you'll still notice them from time to time. The pixel density of the 2560 by 1440 resolution display is 534 pixels. Blackberry claims you'll get 24 hours of mixed use from the 3,000 mAh non-removable battery. We can say reasonably confidently that this is an overestimate, which is a shame given Blackberry's good track record for battery life. What is welcome here is Quick Charge 3.0 fast charging with the included wall charger, a happy side effect of the USB-C port. It can charge the Dtek60 in just over an hour from very low battery and is very convenient. Cameras. The rear camera of the Dtek60 boasts a 21MP autofocus lens with f.20 aperture and a dual LED flash. It can also record video at many different levels including 4K at up to 30 FPS. We used the camera extensively in Poland with some pleasing results. Images are sharp and the lens copes well in low light, though the images produced from the Samsung Galaxy S7 are still best in class. The front-facing camera is a modest 8MP, but it's good to see an LED flash for those selfie-inclined, or if you want to shoot a Blair Witch Project-style monologue. Software. It's not always the case that we have to concentrate so much on the software section of a review, but this is an exception. The Dtek60 ships with Android Marshmallow 6.0, with no clear indication as to if and when the update to Nougat 7.0 will be available.